What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial provides a step-by-step guide on how to sign up for StockX. StockX is a popular marketplace for buying and selling sneakers, streetwear, and other collectibles. By following these instructions, you'll be able to create your account quickly and start exploring the platform. So let's get started. First, open any web browser that's available on your devices. Since all you need is a browser to do this, like mine, I use a Brave browser to do the tutorial. And after you open any web browser, go to the website of StockX, click the search bar on your devices, and type stockx.com. As you can see, mine is already open. To create an account on StockX, click the sign up button, which is located at the top right of the website screen. It will take a few seconds, so wait for it. If you are in a sign up tab, it's up to you if you want to sign up from this website by filling out this form, or you can use their other social media accounts below the sign up button, like Google, Apple, Facebook, and X. For example, for me, I chose the Google account, so let me click it. Different social media accounts have different ways to sync your account to StockX, so just use those credentials depending on which social media account you use to sync with StockX. As you can see, I created an account on StockX using my Google social media account. You have successfully signed up for StockX, and you can now log into your account using the email and password you created, or through your social media accounts if you opted for that method. Explore the site to start buying or selling items and enjoy the marketplace experience. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.